Paper items. Gift bag. We could help save planet Earth by using paper bags instead of plastic bags. Let me show you how to make one. Shall we start? Objectives. At the end of the session, you will be able to identify the tools and materials needed to make a gift bag. Make a gift bag. Let's first familiarize with the tools that you would need to make a gift bag. The tools required are punch and a pair of scissors. Next, let's see the materials that you will require to make the gift bag. The materials required are chart paper, cords for handle, and glue. Now let's see how to make the gift bag. Step 1. Measuring 2 inches, fold 1/2 of the chart paper. Using 1/2 of the chart paper, measure 2 inches and fold the chart paper as shown. This will form the top of the bag. Step 2. Join the 2 sides leaving 1/2 inch from the top and crease it. Join the 2 sides of the chart paper leaving 1/2 inch from the top and crease it. This will form the bottom of the bag. Step 3. Stick the 2 sheets of paper. Apply glue on this 1/2 inch strip. Fold and paste this strip with the paper on the other side. Step 4. Fold the sides of the bag with 3 folds on either side of the bag. Fold the sides of the bag. Each fold should be 1.5 inches from each other. This is how the fold should look after completion. Fold them over themselves and press firmly. Step 5. Form the base of the bag. Fold the bottom both ways 3 inches up and press firmly. Make the folds of the sides sharp by pressing them down as shown. Now 4 triangles have to be made on all 4 sides of the base. Add glue to the triangles on all 4 sides. Fold them onto each other and press firmly. Step 6. Create handles for the bag. Punch 4 holes 2 inches away from each side of the bag. Pass the cord through these holes. Make a knot on the inside of the bag as shown. With that, we've come to the end of this session. Let's recall what we have learnt. We learned how to make the gift bag. Let's review its basic steps. Step 1. Measuring 2 inches, fold 1/2 of the chart paper. Step 2. Join the two sides, leaving 1/2 inch from the top and crease it. Step 3. Stick the 2 sheets of paper. Step 4. Fold the sides of the bag with 3 folds on either side of the bag. Step 5. Form the base of the bag. Step 6. Create handles for the bag. You have now learned how to make a gift bag using chart paper.